The members of the Executive Committee of the Maukau Dorbar Shnong, along with officials of the Shillong Municipal Board SMB, today visited the site of the mechanized multi-level car parking lot project at the Jiao Stan Mot Pran. This project under the Shillong Smart City mission had hit a major stumbling block following opposition by an owner of a multi-storied building. The Maukau Dorbar Shnong has expressed concern over this development while speaking to reporters after inspection of the project site. Maukau Assistant Rangbak Shnong, Ransom Sutnga, said that the Dorbar Shnong does not want the work of the project to stop. According to him, this is a pet project of the Dorbar Shnong since they were involved since the time when it was conceptualized.
Mentah ke segi pada namta kan ni ke jaya bo parking hune ke balak sedang mentah kadon ke jing thut liat soi hang ni pak bai dei kan ni ke jing tai hang ni te kawe ke long bangiyo ya kan ni ke complete ke jing ujor nak ni ki nak tai kawe ke mo ka yeng hang tai ki om bakaki por bateri ya kan ni ke kam hang ni te mentah ke segi long nak liang jungi ke dor basnong kum la ong mene ba ni kwa ba kan ni kam kan ya dei ba kan ni ke kam kan nom sange Nomor bakani ketika pet project jongka Dorbar Shnong naduk pasdang nilai penduduk bar smart city tam bede ini project.
The Civil Hospital Nongpok Riboy District